Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can remove websites and pages like page entries from your browsing history in the Comet AI web browser. For instance, if you'd like to keep your browsing history as a whole, but would like to remove specific page entries. So let us dive into this and show you how you can do this. So what you want to do here in the Comet AI web browser is click into that arrow down icon in the top right, and from here hover your mouse over history and access your entire browsing history by using this button or by using the shortcut Control H. Now, once in your browsing history, guys, here to the left, you may delete it entirely. However, as previously mentioned, we don't want to do this. We want to keep our browsing history. So what you may do, guys, is simply go through that list of your latest or most recent browsing history. You will see these entries divided or listed under specific dates, like today, Wednesday, yesterday, Tuesday, November, and so on and so forth. And if you'd like to remove the given website from your browsing history, to clear your browsing history, you may simply click into the checkbox to the left and do that also for multiple pages if you like. And after that, simply confirm by clicking into delete. Alternatively, guys, you may also click into these three dots here and select remove from history, and that is going to remove these entries from your Comet history. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.